in c.Oryahovo, southeast Bulgaria, on a corner plot. This little house has no overlooking neighbours. It's quiet and private, but it needs saving. Down a few steps. The plot is 1,000 square metres. The neighbouring garage and derelict house cannot be bought because a solar farm was put in the garden. The summer kitchen was a later addition, and you can see it's had a lot of damage from the roof. The roof really needs redoing, new ceilings put up. So the 2-room summer kitchen leads into the main house. Through one of the rooms, there's 3 rooms all around a central area. These rooms are in good condition. And the central area gives you a conservatory. So the back room has no windows and has suffered a lot of damage to the roof. It's actually, the ceiling is in a very bad way. Back out to the central room and across it, and you've got one big main room. The ceilings are really good quality, lovely wooden ceilings, and the windows are in good condition, though they would benefit from double glazing. The floors are wooden. And the conservatory did actually have a doorway out into the garden, but this has been blocked up. Your view across the village. And you can see the external staircase. Lots of fruit trees and an established grapevine. Around the back of the house, more fig trees and long barns, so lots of storage. As you can see, it's very overgrown because no one's lived here for a long time.